Ready, sir. स्वागत में हिंदी से शूटिंग कॉर्पोरेशन
I will be till 6th of April, and I will be landing on 30th April evening, and then I will be 31st for second 7 days to 8 days.
All guard of honor.
Team. Yeah, team will be maybe 1 month.
Then we go for plant.
Good! General salute! Salami do! चरक के समान गार्ड आपके निरीक्षण के तैयार श्रीमान
सर 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 जी सर जी सर टर्न हेलो सर
Can we please have a better view of PT Usha?
आयुष
सर प्लीज सर प्लीज आयुष मैम हाँ कैमरा पीछे करो हाँ हेलो
Sir,
आइए सर
दिनेश जी फ्रेम लीजिएगा
हाँ हाँ
सर आप इस साइड आइए ना प्लीज आप सर इस साइड
किधर पे हो अभी आप जल्दी आओ भाई वो आ गए इनका एंट्री वगैरह हो गया सब हो गया
yeah, Girish, yeah. Should I call Amar? Huh? It's okay, no? Yeah, just take it.
Just one minute. Cyber security, cyber security.
Oh, I got a phone 3 times. We are good, congrats. And video blessing for
yes yes
Can I request Director General Shyam Jagannath, PT Usha and Mrs. Kiran Fadnis to light the flame of the Maritime Games 2025. I would now like to call upon Cadet Divyansh Parekh to undertake the oath for the Maritime Games 2025. Dr. PT Usha. Can I please ask the Secretary General of the Maharashtra Olympic Association, Mr. Namdesh? In subcontinent. Thank you very much, Mrs. Kiran Fadnis. I would now like to ask the K2K sports management team to please join them on stage for a quick picture. "19 and a half, 19-7, 19-8. Suki, whatever you're done. Well done, Suki. Congratulations. That was incredible.
My name is Captain Ganesh Fadnis. These games, the Maritime Games, is all about togetherness, getting inclusiveness from all verticals of shipping. It's not only a few sections. We are talking about all the verticals from all over India. It will pick up momentum. Like we said earlier, there have been over 87 or 86 companies who have taken part, over 1,800 participants to be exact, and 14 disciplines over 12 days from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Sir, could you elaborate a little more on what sir just said and how was it today?
मैरिटाइम नेशनल गेम्स मैरिटाइम डोमेन के लिए एक परिवार एकाग्र होके स्पोर्ट्स के थ्रू, इस इवेंट्स के थ्रू एक कमराडरी, स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट को बढ़ावा देना चाहती है। आप सब जानते हैं कि भारत में जो सागरी इंटरेस्ट है, द मैरिटाइम इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, बिकॉज फॉर द इंडियन इकोनॉमी 90% बाय volume and 70% by value of all the export and import of commodities which power the growth of Indian economy are on maritime routes. Ships पे जो हमारे officers हैं, other ranks हैं, onshore हमारे companies, India आज एक major growing destination है, 12.5% of the global seafaring pool is coming from India, and we are increasing this to 20%. It is a celebration of what the Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Union Cabinet Minister, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, have envisioned in the Maritime India Vision 2030 and the Amrit Kaal Vision 2047. ये maritime games, maritime sport endeavors से bonding होगी, मर्चेंट नेवी के लिए दी पब्लिसिटी वुड बी देयर, यंग जो हमारे सिटीजन्स हैं who want to join and become a part of this maritime family, उनको आकर्षित करने के लिए, और हमारे existing family members के लिए a celebration, a festival to come together, to participate, to compete and to bring together that family bonding. This is the spirit of the Maritime National Games. इसको हम हर 2 साल करेंगे nationally, and प्रयास ये है कि 4 क्षेत्रीय गेम्स होंगे, North, East, West and South, and 1 special edition for the northeast part of the country.
How are you feeling being here today and launching one of the most beautiful projects ever, and give us some moments of sportsmanship.
Actually, I am here because I felt that it's a very good initiative from Jagannath ji. And the sports is the one who can unite people together. And to make the Maritime Games important to everybody, and to make the players and to encourage the players, to motivate the players, I'm here. So it's a very good initiative.
So how are you feeling today? You were the one who took over the whole proceedings and made this day happen.
Actually, it is under the leadership of DG sir only. He, among his many projects, this one Maritime Games was since last 5-6 months. We started somehow, we thought of how to go about it, how to arrange Maritime Games. And it's not only we want to keep it to one vertical, we want to include the entire maritime industry. With lot of initially hiccups, then we finally said, he given direction, no, you go ahead, let us start as a pilot. Then we somehow formed a core group. Then core group has, then core group has really put in lot of efforts, and that's how we have gone ahead. And I was initially a bit skeptical about the fundings and all, but then there is always support of DG sir, that he himself is taking review, and he himself is finding out that no, you will get funds which is required to to organize the entire maritime game in a very grand manner and fashion, so that we can prepare a project in such a way that we can organize these games biennial, regularly on a larger scale, including different zones. So that is what our objective is. Again, under his leadership, we will be taking it further, and then definitely we will be we will try to bring in people from different zones, and we will identify now which will be the next venue, with what kind of what will be the scope of the next maritime games, when we will be proposing maybe 2027 or whatever. So this is how we have started, and I'm personally hopeful that we will take it a long way.
Kiranji, how did it feel to organize the event in such a small time?
Yeah, we are very nervous, and because we had to, in such a short span of time, such humongous job which is being given to us. So I hope I can deliver the way he had envisaged, the way he had dreamt of, the way his aspirations are. And the whole team is working relentless. And we have got entire team of this from the sports management fraternity. They all are very well qualified, and I'm very sure we can deliver it.
I wanted to know from PT Usha ji, please give us some lines for people who are participating in it, some lessons on sportsmanship, a message for them.
Participation itself is a very important thing, They should try their best, that's all. Whether it is winning or not at this time. But I'm happy to see all of them. I think it's 10 days. I think it is a 10 days one. No, they will enjoy it, and it's a very good initiative. That is why I'm here.
Sir, any last word from you, sir?
So I have to just say that DG Shipping, thank you very much for starting a maritime legacy with sports. And ma'am, you have been an encouragement for us. So we truly appreciate
Sir.